What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete your eBay account. Just head over to the eBay app and at the bottom section, just click on my eBay icon. Then next is just scroll down, then click on help. And from here at the search eBay help bar, just type delete. You will then see a list of issues or categories here. Just choose closing your account. From here, it is very important to read this article first. And as you can see here, before closing your account, you might also want to consider contacting them first. And once you've really decided to delete your account, just scroll down until you see this close account button and just click on this. Then you will see this prompt. You're going to also need to select the category, why you're leaving or why you're deleting your account. Then select a reason. Then once done, just check on this checkbox that I want to close my eBay account, then just click on submit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!